In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on CapCut. If you're looking to add that dynamic zoom effect to your videos, whether it's to highlight a person, focus on an object, or simply add a professional touch to your content, you're in the right place. CapCut makes this process simple and intuitive even for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create smooth zoom-ins to take your video editing to the next level. And if you don't already have the CapCut app, be sure to download it from your device's app store so you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on the option that says New Project. This is where you'll begin creating your video. Now from your phone's gallery, select the video you'd like to edit. Make sure you choose the right clip, as this will be the foundation for your zoom effect. Once you've selected your video, tap the Add button. This will load your chosen footage onto the timeline, which is where all the editing magic happens. Now that your video is ready to edit, let's set up the zoom effect. Look at the timeline and find the playhead. It's the vertical line that moves along as your video plays. Drag the playhead to the exact point in your video where you want the zoom effect to begin. This step is important because it marks the starting position for the zoom. Once you've positioned the playhead, tap on the keyframe icon. It looks like a small diamond shape. This creates the first keyframe, which essentially saves the current look of your video. Think of it as a starting checkpoint. The way the video looks at this moment will remain unchanged until the zoom starts. Next, move the playhead forward to the spot where you want the zoom effect to end. This is where you'll set the final look of the zoom. On the preview screen, use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom in on the image. This action enlarges the part of the video you want to focus on. As soon as you zoom in, CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe to save this change. This is what tells the app to transition smoothly from the starting keyframe to the zoomed-in one. You can also adjust the zoomed-in frame to refine your focus. By dragging your fingers across the screen, you can shift the frame to highlight the exact area you want, whether it's a person's face, a specific detail, or any other focal point in the video. Once everything is set, it's time to preview your work. Play back the video and watch the zoom effect in action. Pay close attention to the timing and positioning to make sure it looks natural and flows well with your content. If something feels off, maybe the zoom is too quick or not focused on the right area, don't worry. You can go back and adjust the keyframes or tweak the zoom level until it's just right. And that's it. You've successfully created a zoom effect in CapCut. Now your video has a dynamic touch that draws attention to the most important part of the frame. If you want to take your editing skills even further, feel free to explore CapCut's other features for more creative possibilities. So now you know exactly how to add a zoom effect to your videos using CapCut. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.